Dictation number 142. Start. There is, however, one recommendation of the Press Commission which seems to have been omitted when making the provisions of this bill. The Commission had said that on the Council, representation must be given to the periodical press also, that is the weeklies and others, full stop. I find that omission her. I feel that in our newspaper world, these periodical, these monthlies, fortnightlies and weeklies do play an important part, especially in molding public opinion and in the dissemination of knowledge, full stop. Therefore, I think that the recommendation of the Press Commission that some representation ought to be given to the periodicals press also must be considered in the connection, full stop. It seems to have been omitted here, full stop. That is what I have to say at this stage regarding the composition of the council, full stop para. Next, I come to clause 14 of this bill. While is a very vital clause, full stop. I was happy to listen to the Honorable Minister when he stated that it is the accepted canon of journalistic conduct not to disclose the source of information, full stop. If you go through the history journalism in India, you will find that our top men, the newspaper world, had refused to so and so the source of information, and they had to suffer for it, and because of such suffering the prestige and self-respect of the profession have been very much heightened. No journalist worth his salt would disclose the source of his information, not because he is so anxious keep his own self-respect, but because he knows that it is vital for the profession as a whole, full stop. If you was an independent press, if you want your newspapers play their part in the field of public opinion, if you ask them to disclose the source of their information, then the very spring of independent journalism would be touched, and that is not a desirable thing, full stop. The Honorable Minister has herself explained that point, and therefore I need not labor that point any more. I, however, find that clause 14 expressly lays down that the Council has the power of recurring, discover and production of documents, full stop. If you call upon a correspondent or the owner of a paper or a published, in many cases it would be impossible to withhold the source of information, full stop. You cannot withhold the source of information and at the same time discover and produce the documents, full stop para. We have given notice of an amendment, full stop. Even if you want to continue the existing provision, you could provide for an exception saying that the journalists must not be required to disclose the source of information, full stop. It is not a question of just the newspaper people and the public being apprehensive over these things, full stop. here is a provision which has been expressly put there, full stop. Of course, you can say that eminent journalists will be there on the council and that we can expect the leaders of the newspaper world who can be expected to be elected to this council to pay proper heed to the professional standards, but it will be better if you were to put an express provision in the bill itself, full stop. Now the newspapers reflect political opinion of the country and there are bound to be sharp differences, and however much we may try, it may not be always possible to keep within the limits, full stop. By this provision you are giving them a handle to force an unwriting journalist or somebody holding a different view to disclose the source of information that is not called for, full stop era. Coming to the other general powers of the press council, it is true as mentioned by the honorable minister himself that the powers granted to this body are far more and go far beyond the powers granted to the British Press Council in the particular statute, full stop. I quite follow that, full stop. The penal provisions therein have not been called to use, full stop. As the minister himself made it clear, it is just a sanction, full stop. The body to be created will enable the profession and the industry to regulate themselves, full stop. It is some sort of a voluntary thing which is there, full stop. A sanction will have its own way, but then there is this power to summon witnesses and, as I have already mentioned, requiring them to produce documents and other things, full stop. When you give all these powers, at least some of us feel that in the present setup in our country, these powers are a little excessive, full stop. They are not called for in the present conditions existing in our newspaper world, full stop. Some of these powers have not been found necessary to be given to the British Press Council even, and yet we are investing our press council with such powers, full stop. It will be a rather hasty experiment to make in entrusting our press council with these things, full stop era. The question of censure is there, full stop. After all, we want our journalists and our newspapermen to voluntarily enforce a conduct and try to improve their standards of journalism, which will always be in their own interest, full stop, overall.